Yo, what's going on, guys? Sam here. Today, Apple released iOS 12.4.1 just ahead of iOS 13's release in a couple of weeks. Now, I personally expected iOS 12.4 to be the final update for iOS 12, but it appears that Apple has introduced one more update to fix, well, a big issue, but also a small one that doesn't really impact a lot of us. So if you're excited for this video, drop a like down below. It does seriously help me and the channel out, and hit subscribe so you stay up to date on the latest Apple news. So taking a look at the changelog for iOS 12.4.1 inside of the settings app, it really doesn't tell us much about the update. It just says that iOS 12.4.1 provides important security and stability updates, and of course, Apple is recommending this for all users, where they include a little tidbit about what actually changed in the update, which they include with every update. They say below, well, for more information on the security content, you can visit this website. And when you go over there and click on the iOS 12.4.1 link, well, you can see exactly what changed, although Apple doesn't spell it out blatantly. There's a security fix for a kernel issue. Basically, a malicious application would have been able to execute code, and essentially this is what allowed a recent jailbreak to work, because at one point Apple had corrected this issue, and then iOS 12.4 sort of like reversed this kernel fix, which allowed this new jailbreak app to work. You could literally like jailbreak your iPhone without any computer, just straight from, I think, Safari on your phone. It was pretty crazy. It was really easy to do, and of course allows you to modify your device in any way you want, including in ways that Apple doesn't necessarily agree with. Back in the day, a lot of you guys may have been into jailbreaking. It was super popular, but now I've grown out of it just because every feature that I want is basically baked into iOS already. I mean, we have dark mode in iOS 13. We have mouse support on the iPad now. We have iPad OS, a brand new operating system with a redesigned home screen. We've got game controller support. These are things that back in the day everybody would kill to have. And Apple's made a step in the right direction, saying that rather than making our users jump around anything to get to these features, to add these to their device, we could just add them ourselves and give them a more secure, but also more locked down user experience. So it is bittersweet, but if you are interested in jailbreaking, clearly you don't want to update. That would prevent you from doing so. However, iOS 13 is just around the corner. It's coming out sometime in September, so you're going to be getting a lot of really cool new features anyway in just a couple of weeks. But for everybody else, go ahead and get updating, because, well, this is going to be the last iOS 12 update that I think we ever see. So we had a good run. iOS 12's been great, but the next chapter starts very soon. There's nothing else new in iOS 12.4.1 because Apple's not adding anything else to iOS 12 at this time. So let me know your guys' thoughts on this down below in the comment section. Are you excited for this update? Do you really care about it? Are you looking more forward to iOS 13 than anything else? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video, if it did help you out, drop a like, and of course hit subscribe for more. I've been Sam. I hope all of you are genuinely having a great day, and I'll catch up with you guys in my next video.